ByteDance has officially launched Seedance 2.5, and this update could be a major step forward for long-form AI video creation. So, what exactly is Seedance 2.5, and what makes it different from the previous version? Let's take a quick look. Seedance 2.5 is ByteDance's latest multimodal AI video generation model. It can create videos from text prompts, while also using images, videos, and audio files as references. But the biggest upgrade is video length. Seedance 2.5 can generate a complete 30-second video in a single pass, doubling the 15-second limit of Seedance 2.0. And it doesn't simply stretch one scene for 30 seconds. The model can organize multiple connected shots into a complete story, including an introduction, development, turning point, and conclusion. For example, instead of generating only a singer walking onto a stage, Seedance 2.5 can show the singer preparing backstage, walking through the corridor, meeting the dancers, entering the stage, and finally performing in front of an audience, all within one continuous sequence. It also supports multi-round video extension. This means you can continue generating additional scenes while maintaining the same characters, environment, visual style, sound effects, and overall storytelling rhythm. In theory, this makes it possible to create videos lasting several minutes without manually generating and connecting dozens of separate clips. Another major improvement is multimodal referencing. In a single generation, Seedance 2.5 can accept up to 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio clips as reference materials. You can use different references for characters, environments, products, camera movements, voices, music, and visual styles. The model then combines these references based on your instructions, giving creators much more control over complex scenes and multi-character stories. Seedance 2.5 also introduces more precise AI video editing. You can use timestamps to control what happens during a specific part of the video, including the action, camera angle, movement, pacing, and story development. After generating the video, you can modify selected characters, actions, objects, or plot details without completely rebuilding the entire scene. The model also improves green screen editing, camera perspective editing, motion referencing, and reference-based scene replacement.
Remind me again.
In terms of visual quality, ByteDance says Seedance 2.5 produces more natural skin, eyes, textures, lighting, colors, and physical motion. It is also designed to reduce common AI video problems, such as unwanted subtitles, random background music, unstable characters, and unnatural transitions. Of course, the model is still not perfect. ByteDance acknowledges that complex physical movements and interactions between multiple subjects can still produce unstable results.
I get it, he's looking
But
for a
overall,
song.
Seedance
But is all this
2.5 is
drama
moving
really
AI
necessary?
video generation
It is
beyond
just a
short,
sock.
disconnected clips
That was his
and
favorite
toward
pair.
complete,
You don't get that
controllable
feeling. It's
video
like
production.
getting fries
It
and
could be
realizing
especially
there's no
useful
ketchup.
for short
Especially
films,
when you are rushing
product
out the door.
advertisements, music videos, social media
Maybe.
content,
I don't.
e-commerce videos, and
Ketchup or whatever
cinematic
this is.
storytelling.
Whatever.
Seedance 2.5 is currently rolling out through Gmeng AI, Dubao Pro, Dreamina, and other supported platforms. API access is also expected to arrive through Byte Plus Model Arc. So, what do you think? Is Seedance 2.5 the next big leap in AI video generation? Or do you think models like Veo, Kling, and Sora still have the advantage? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more AI news, tutorials, and creative tools.